Yes, friends, welcome back. Here we are here again to study something about solar system. We all know that solar system is a gravitationally bound system of the sun and the objects that orbit it either directly or indirectly. Of the objects that orbit the sun directly, the largest are the 8 planets, with the remainder being smaller objects, the dwarf planets and small solar system bodies. How big are the planets and how far away are they? Compared to each other, see how the sizes of planets and the distances between them compare and find out why it's so hard to create a scale model of the solar system that accurately represents both size and distance on a single screen of the page of a book. So here we are here with some reading comprehensions on each planet. We all know that Mercury is the first planet in our solar system. It is the closest planet of the sun. It is the smallest planet. It is a rocky planet. Mercury does not have any moons. Mercury is the first planet in our solar system. It is the closest planet to the sun. Mercury is a, rocky planet. Mercury does not have any moons. This is something about the Mercury which is very closer to the sun and which is in the first lane of the solar system. And here, as we all have grabbed some information about the Mercury, that it is the first planet, it is near to the planet, it is the smallest planet, and as well as it is also called as rocky planet, and it does not have any moons. Yes, Mercury is very small planet, and Mercury is near to our solar system. It is very closest to the sun. Now let's come to the other planet, and that is Mars. Mars is called the red planet. It is red in color. It is red because of the rusty iron in the ground. It is about half the size of Earth. It has 2 moons. Mars is the 4th planet from the sun, and Mars is called the red planet because it is red in color. Why it is red in color? It is red in color because of the rusty iron in the ground. In the Mars, it is filled with the rusty iron, so it is called as red planet. It is about half the size of the Earth. Earth is our home planet. Mars is the 4th planet from the sun. Yes, Mars is the 4th planet from the sun. We all know that after Mercury we have Venus, and after Venus we have Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus and Neptune. So from these all, Mars is the 4th planet, which is red in color due to the rusty iron, and it's about half the size of the Earth. Let's go to the other planet, the Moon. The Moon is a dusty ball of rock. It shines bright in the night sky. It reflects light from the sun. Its surface is home to mountains and flat plains. What is the moon? Moon is called as a dusty ball of dusty ball of rock. Rock means stone. The moon is a dash means the moon is a dusty ball of rock. The moon shines bright in the night sky. When the moon shines in the night sky, and it reflects light from the sun. How the moon gives us the light which we can see in the night timings? It reflects the light from the sun which falls on that and reflects to the earth. Its surface is home to mountains and flat plains. We all know that mountains are very pointed and flat plains are very flat onto the floor. We all know that the landforms are of 4: mountains, hills, flat plains and valleys. So in that, this moon is the surface, is the surface to home, or its surface is home to mountains and flat plains. Yes, as we all just now studied about the moon, that moon is a dusty ball. Yes, right. And its surface is home to mountains and flat plains. Good job. The sun. We all know that the sun is a very big and hot. The sun is a brightest star. The sun gives light and heat to the planets. The sun is the center of the solar system. We could see in our solar system that what is the center point in that? In the solar system, the center point is solar. Sun is the center of the total solar system. And the sun is very big and very hot. And the sun is a bright star. This is not the planet. The sun is called as a star. And the sun is a bright star. And the sun gives light and heat to the planets. Right. The sun is the center of the solar system. And what is the color of the sun? Mostly it will be orange when it rises and changes to little yellow, then changes to white color. We cannot see the sun directly. It damages the eyes because it is very big, very hot due to the the light and the heat which it gives us. It is very difficult for us to see the sun directly. Now come to the other planet in the solar system, that is Earth. Yes, we just had a point on Earth, that is Earth is our home planet. Earth is the only planet where people, animals and plants live. It has air and water and it has one moon. Earth is the third planet from the sun. As we just studied, in the solar system, sun is the center. It will be in the center of the solar system, and the first planet is Mercury, then followed by Venus and followed by Earth, and the fourth planet is Mars, and Mars followed by Jupiter, Saturn, and then Uranus and the Earth. So our Earth is also called as our home planet, and Earth is the only planet where we find people, animals and plants, means totally living things. Human beings and living things will be living on the Earth. And Earth has one moon. Yes, Earth has air and water also. Yes, it has one moon and Earth is the third planet from the solar system or the sun. So here the solar system is surrounded by 8 planets, that is, and some people are saying 9, it's okay. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. We all know that Mercury is the smallest planet and Jupiter is the biggest planet. Mars is the red planet and Saturn is the planet which is surrounded by 3 rings. Uranus and Neptune are far away from the sun, but they are in the lane of solar system. And Mars is red in color and Earth is our home planet. I hope you all understood. Subscribe for more videos.